Hello, Anthony? Yeah, listen. No, you can't. Anthony, you cannot come here. No, it gonna look suspicious. Anthony, please just hear me out now. You might get suspect already, cause every minute me I talk on the phone, when I pay him the mind, him know what I want, Anthony. Just try understand now. Anthony, try understand now. Alright.
Anthony, I come here again? I miss him, you know?
Not to this house too.
What's wrong with you, mommy? You can talk to me about it.
It's complicated, Diana. Big people thing. You're not gonna understand. It hard.
I know what's going on. You have feelings for Anthony, but you're in love with your husband too, right? I think you have to think really long and hard and figure out how strong you want there with, you know, who you love more. You have a circle of one more, right?
Look, girl, stay out of big people argument, alright? Cause you don't know what you're talking about. Don't talk to me about them something here. Mind your own business. You're too enough. God, you get on my nerves.
So, how you prepare for me? You know, the whole day me last school, me I think, boy.
Richard, stop it now. You embarrass me. How was your day today? You enjoy school? I really can't wait till I start my new school. Maybe we can go on a taxi together if I the same route. What you say?
Yeah, man, me come pick you up. All if I on the same route. Just want to make sure you go home safe.
Really mean that, Richard? You're so sweet, man. Come take a picture with me. Everything's going so perfect.
But I invite you to dinner too. This Saturday. You are forward? Please come. Daddy miss you too. And your sister. You really rate on me.
Of course, Mela, come. I love your family. I want to help them help me. I really appreciate everything you did for me, Richard. Now I can live a normal life. I mean, it's not what everybody expects it to be, but it's good. You know, we're comfortable now. Mummy Ala invite me to meet some of her family a country. I really can't wait. It's so nice to meet new people.
Yeah, man, I understand that. I'm really happy for you. You know, you get to live a normal life now. Good evening.
Evelyn, Richard. I'm sorry. Who let you in a... Who are you?
My name's Ryan.
Ryan, who? How come I never meet you before?
Because my dad's a chauvinist.
Oh, you're Adam's son.
Unfortunately, I am.
You're really flexible.
It's all about inconsistency. Ryan, why didn't you tell me you were coming? You just came in, you didn't greet me or anything? What difference would it make, Father? You gave me a key, so I just let myself in. I don't see what the issue is. Deani, this is my son, Ryan. He's been touring the world, and now he's here to visit us. Oh, Dad, you sound so excited to see me. Please, Ryan, don't make a scene, okay? Especially not in front of your stepsister. I just want a normal day today, alright? What exactly is normal? You talk about normal, but I don't know what normal is.
Ryan, you're finally here. I can't believe it. I missed you so much.
Is that my little sis? Hey, Olivia. Come here. Oh, you got so big. Look at you. You know, when I went to South Africa, I bought you a lot of things. You're gonna love it. So how are you? How's everything? How are you doing with these flakes? Is Dad still making you go to that private school?
Yeah, I told him I don't like it, but he says it's better for my education if I go there. Did you meet my new sister, Diana? She came from Jamaica. She's so fun.
What, the islands? Up top. Yeah.
You ever went to Jamaica before? Really? What parts of Jamaica did you go?
I went all over. Mobay, Kingston.
Oh, I'm from Portmore. I want to go back though. I don't like it here a lot. It's really boring, you know? Jamaica's fun.
Let me show you some pictures I took when I was there. See that?
You met Mackerel? You're so crazy. Who else did you go to America? I want to meet Shensia and Jada Kingdom, everybody.
Adam, you can't let Ryan stress you out, okay? He's just here for a week.
You're right. Maybe things will go better this time. Octavia, this food is delicious.
Thank you so much, Ryan.
To cut down on the salt, though. Dad's not used to salt or any flavor of that matter.
I can cook too. Curry chicken.
Oh, Ryan, where's all the money I spent for you to go to college? You've spent it all? Here we go again. I told you I didn't want to go to no damn college. Here we go. So you took all of my money and traveled all around the world. What exactly are you going to do for the rest of your life, huh? You think you're going to spend all of my money and do what you want with it? I'm cutting you off the trust fund. You are so irresponsible. You take nothing seriously. Your mother, she lets you run around wild, huh? There's no structure, no balance. You need to get your shit together. You can't just be running around and spending my money. I don't care if you want to cut me from your trust fund. I already knew you were gonna do that. And besides, I got to live my life. You think I want to be like you? Stuck in an office all day, working your ass off? I think you're jealous of me because you didn't do the things that I did. Mom told me. You regret your life, but you want to take it out on me, huh? Is that it? You can't blame me for your problems. Well, excuse me. If it wasn't for me going in the office, you and your mother wouldn't have any money to spend to be living such a carefree life. You should be thanking me. Instead, you're sitting down here disrespecting me. You ungrateful brat. I'm so tired of this. No one respects me. So, Junior, you still depressed? Come on, cheer up, man. I was surprised for you, you know. Wait for it. But decide said, next time I go Canada, you come. Oh, you know, I've nothing to say. The swear thing say you that excited for you go. Oh, you mean, Daddy? Of course, me excited. Me can get for Diana again. This is great, man. Finally, want to work things out with her. There you go, more positive thinking. Good job, alright? You ever stay with Grandma and Uncle Andy? What if Diana don't want to talk to me? Until this day she hasn't said a word to me. Don't worry about that, son. Trust me. Keep positive thinking. She'll come back to you. Wanna love each other from wanna look of it. Remember that? People make mistakes. Thanks, Daddy. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate this. Can't believe me get forgot foreign and me get to see love of my life again. It's too good. Two good things in one. Diana, you wanna go look at the clothes again with me? Like the last time? Please?
Alright.